Hello and welcome to another poetry walk. Today I'm in the Pantiles in Royal Tunbridge Wells. I hope you enjoy. The first poem is Somewhere I Have Never Travelled by E. Cummings. Somewhere I have never travelled, gladly beyond any experience, your eyes have their silence. In your most frail gesture are things which enclose me, or which I cannot touch because they are too near. Your slightest look easily will unclose me, though I have closed myself as fingers. You open always petal by petal myself as spring opens, touching skilfully, mysteriously, her first rose. Or if your wish be to close me, I and my life will shut very beautifully, suddenly, as when the heart of this flower imagines the snow carefully everywhere descending. Nothing which we are to perceive in this world equals the power of your intense fragility, whose texture compels me with the colour of its countries, rendering death and forever with each breathing. I do not know what it is about you that closes and opens. Only something in me understands the voice of your eyes is deeper than all roses. Nobody, not even the rain, has such small hands. And now I have an original poem, one that was written just this morning. I looked in the river and held you. Your hand in my hand was a flower. I wished they gave us another kind day. I wished for one more hour. I looked from the river, beheld you. I thought of chances missed. I felt a love like heaven. I smiled, you smiled. We kissed. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I'll be sure to upload another poetry walk soon. All the best.